Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by narrowing scope. Pick 1 or 2 reference subjects, then collect 6 to 12 clear photos to capture poses and details. Once done, create a canvas, 2,100 by 1,500 pixels or an 8.5 by 11-inch layout because consistent size keeps proportions predictable. Next, block major sections: head, full body turnarounds, close-up accessories, and a color palette strip. Make sure to leave space for notes. This will save you time later when labeling materials, proportions, and signature markings. You now build the core. On separate layers, trace basic shapes to lock proportions. Circle for skull, rectangles for torso and limbs, then refine those into clean line work because accuracy matters for future reference. After linear, create flat color layers with labeled swatches and hex codes, followed by a simple shadow pass to indicate volume. Once finished, group related layers and use consistent naming: head, front, side, palette. This organization speeds edits and makes the sheet instantly readable. You finish by adding concise notes: measurements, material textures, and any unique markings. Keep each note short and next to the element it describes. Export a PNG for online use and a 300 dpi PDF or TIFF for printing because different outputs need different formats. Then, run a quick test print to confirm scale and contrast. If elements look off, adjust line weight and color contrast, and if spacing shifts, return to your canvas and realign guides before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.